How to redeem Microsoft gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your Microsoft gift card using your desktop. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and simply type redeem.microsoft.com and simply hit enter. And this will take you to the redeem your code or gift card page. So on the left hand side of the page you will see a text box where you need to enter your 25 character gift card code. So simply enter the code, and once you have entered the code you will be directed to the next page to complete the redemption process. Now ensure that you are logged into your Microsoft account before proceeding, and simply follow the on-screen instruction to finish redeeming your gift card. And that's it. That's the quickest and easiest way to redeem a Microsoft gift card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.